In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the order in your YouTube music playlist. This process allows you to customize your listening experience by arranging your favorite tracks just how you like them. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube Music app on your device. This is the starting point for all your music needs. Once the app is launched, you will see a vibrant interface filled with music recommendations, playlists, and your library. This visual layout makes it easy to navigate and find what you need. If you're using a mobile device, ensure that you have a stable internet connection for the best experience. Next, tap on the library icon located at the bottom of the screen. This section is where you will find all your saved songs, playlists, and albums. It's important because it's the hub for accessing your personalized content. Once you tap on Library, you'll see all the playlists you have created or saved. Look for the one you want to adjust and get ready to make it your own. Now, select Playlists and tap on the playlist you want to change. This step is crucial as it directs you to the specific collection of songs you'd like to rearrange. Once you tap on the playlist, you will see the list of songs it contains. Take a moment to review the tracks so you can decide which order best suits your listening preferences. It's a great way to tailor your playlist for different moods or occasions. Next, tap the Edit icon, which looks like a pencil, near the top of the screen. This action opens up editing options for your selected playlist. By clicking on this icon, you enable the functionality to rearrange tracks. This is an essential step because it signals to the app that you want to modify the playlist. Once the edit mode is activated, you will see your songs ready for rearranging. Locate the song you want to move next. Touch and hold the two horizontal lines, also known as drag handles, on the right side of the track. These handles are your tools for moving songs around. By pressing and holding them, you're preparing to adjust the song's position within the playlist. This functionality makes it easy to customize the order without any hassle. Now, slide your finger up or down to place the song in your preferred spot, then let go. This movement is simple yet effective, allowing you to create the perfect arrangement. As you slide, you will see the other songs shift to accommodate your changes. This dynamic interaction makes the editing process intuitive and user-friendly. Once you've positioned the song exactly where you want it, releasing your finger will finalize its new location. Finally, tap Done or Save in the top corner to lock in the new sequence. This step is vital because it ensures all your changes are saved and ready for your next listening session. After tapping Done, the app will confirm that your playlist has been updated. You can now enjoy your rearranged playlist, tailored to fit your mood or activity perfectly. That's it! You have successfully changed the order of songs in your YouTube music playlist. Enjoy your newly organized tracks, and remember, this small adjustment can make a big difference in your listening experience. Keep customizing your playlist to suit your style.